Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Economics Study with Farhana. This is about the part 4 of time series data analysis. This is basically the last step of time series data analysis, where I will show you different kinds of diagnostic tests. So after following the part 3, you need to conduct different kinds of diagnostic tests to find out the validity of your model. So let's get started. We can run different diagnostic tests for find out the authenticity of this model. So to find out if there is autocorrelation in this model, we can run the Durbin-Watson test, and for this we need to write the command STAT space DWAT then you have to press enter. Basically, Durbin-Watson test result ranges from 0 to 4, and 2 means there is no autocorrelation, and if it's closer to 0, that means there is strong positive serial correlation. If the Durbin-Watson test result is close to 4 or 4, that means there is a strong negative serial correlation, which indicates that the value greater than 2 means there is negative serial correlation, and value less than 2 means there is a strong positive correlation. You will find the Durbin-Watson test result where it is on 0.999. That means it's close to 2. That means there is no autocorrelation in this study. And if we want to cross-check this autocorrelation result through another test, we can run this command STAT space VGODFRUY comma lags, then bracket 4. You can provide the lags which you got from the lag length selection. So here you can see that the probability value is 0.50, and it is basically the Bush-Godfrey LM test for autocorrelation. So here null hypothesis is there is no serial correlation. As the probability value is 0.50, that means it is greater than 10% critical value. That means we cannot reject the null hypothesis. That means there is no autocorrelation in this study. How to conduct the heteroskedasticity test to find out if there is any heteroskedasticity problem in this study. Then before running the heteroskedasticity test, you need to install this LM test software. So for this you need to write the command ssc install white, then you have to press enter. Then the heteroskedasticity checking software will be installed. After that you can run the command STAT space imtest comma white, then you have to press. Now if the heteroskedasticity result is like that 0.00, and here the null hypothesis is there is no heteroskedasticity, and the alternative hypothesis is there is heteroskedasticity. So if the p-value is significant, that means if it is less than 0.05, then we can say that there is heteroskedasticity problem. Here we can see the p-value of heteroskedasticity test is 0.00. That means we cannot reject the alternative hypothesis, and that means there is heteroskedasticity problem. And another result, if we found that heteroskedasticity p-value result is 0.20, that means it is greater than 0.05. That means we cannot reject the null hypothesis. That means there is no heteroskedasticity problem. Now we can run another diagnostic test to find out the stability of the model, or if the model is best fit for this study or not. This first of all you need to install the CUSUM software, and for this you need to write ssc install CUSUMS. Then the installation will be completed. Obviously you need to have the internet connection. Now you need to run the command CUSUM6, then your dependent variable, then your independent variables, then CS CUSUM, then LW lower, then UW upper. then you have to press enter. So from this you will get this graph. Now here you can see that these observations is through this line. That means model is fallen between the 5% significance level. That means it is fit for this study. This is all about the time series model analysis. So if we summarize the steps, we can say that first of all you need to declare the dataset as time series. Then you need to run your unit truth test of the variables. Then you have to find out your optimum lag. If all variables are stationary at same level, then you need to run Johansen cointegration test. But if all variables are not stationary at same level, like some variables are stationary at mass difference or some variables are stationary at level, then you need to run bound test from ARDL. So if the ARDL model is co-integrated, that means from the ARDL model if you found the long run co-integration, then you need to run the error correction model, that is VACAM. But if there is no co-integration, you don't need to run the vector error correction model, rather you can run the simple regression model and you can interpret the result for finding the validity of the model, and you can run different diagnostic tests for finding out the autocorrelation or heteroskedasticity or normality. You can run different kinds of diagnostic tests. So this was all about the time series data analysis. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.